Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Computer Learning. I'm going to teach you computer from absolute zero. No prior knowledge needed. Let's start with the most basic question. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that accepts data as input, processes it, and gives us a result as output. Simple example. Think of a calculator. You press 2 plus 2. This is input. The calculator processes it and shows 4 on screen. This is output. A computer does the same thing, but millions of times faster and with much more complex tasks. IPO cycle. Every computer works on a simple 3-step cycle called the IPO cycle. 1. Input. You give data to the computer. Example, you type your name on the keyboard. Example, you click a photo with a webcam. 2. Process. Computer thinks and works on that data. Example, computer reads what you typed. Example, CPU performs calculations. 3. Output. Computer gives you the result. Example, your name appears on the screen. Example, a document gets printed on paper. Characteristics. 1. Speed. A computer can perform millions of calculations in just 1 second. If you ask a computer to add 1,000 numbers, it does it instantly. You would take hours. 2. Accuracy. A computer never makes mistakes, as long as you give it correct instructions. Example, a bank uses computers to calculate your account balance. It never makes errors. 3. Storage. A computer can store billions of files, documents, photos, and videos. Example, your phone, which is also a type of computer, stores thousands of photos. 4. Diligence. A computer never gets tired. It can work 24 hours, 7 days a week without rest. Example, Google servers run non-stop every single day. So to summarize, a computer is a fast, accurate, and tireless electronic device that takes input, processes it, and gives output. In our next video, we will learn about the types of computers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos.